Everybody, Colleen here from Feel Great Reflexology and Massage Cupping. Today we are going to do some hand reflexology and we will be working on the urinary system. We will primarily focus on the bladder and we'll also focus on the kidneys. And we're just going to rotate on the bladder and we'll thumb walk up to the kidney and rotate on the kidney. And remember, if we do it on one hand, we've got to balance the body and do the same activity on the other hand. So again, we'll rotate on the bladder and we'll thumb walk up the ureter and rotate on the kidney. And that is hand reflexology for the urinary system. I hope this helps, and if you like these videos, remember to subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.